Raking these leaves is a job in itself. I think I had a real workout today. After I came back from Chili's, I decided I wanted to work off the food that I ate. What I did that for? Because these leaves kicked my butt today. It almost feels like I was raking up leaves from 2 seasons ago. I'm talking about I was just raking and raking and raking. I started to leave that rake right there and go get me a blower. A weed eater, a lawnmower, that blower definitely has to have a bag attached to it. Because I was searching on YouTube how to pick up these leaves because I was tired. And one lady said fold the bag under your feet and start walking with it. But I seen a cardboard box that I had in the back, so I put the cardboard box inside the bag so that way when I scoop the leaves in there, it won't fall. I got tired of doing that, so I used the rake. So I seen one YouTuber telling me to use both of the rakes. So I went and got me another rake and I started raking up those leaves, putting them in the bag. At this point, I was trying any and everything to make this job a little easier for me because like I said, it felt like these leaves accumulated 2 seasons ago. And I'm trying to figure out why I let it pile up. At this point, I got tired of picking it up with the box. I got tired of picking it up with the rake, so I got me a little garbage can so I could just rake the leaves into. It got me going. I was moving a little faster. But at this point, I was just tired and I was lost for a minute. But I had to keep going because I'm trying to at least burn off 500 calories of the 2,000 calories that I ate today. So at this point, I opened the bag and started back scooping them in the bag, thinking that it would be much easier for me. But the leaves was everywhere, so I managed to almost get it completed, y'all. I had a rhythm going till my back started hurting. When you be in the zone, you be in the zone. I was trying to get all them leaves up today. I felt like my yard was the only yard that had all them leaves in there from 2 seasons ago. Now, I ain't trying to live like the Joneses, but I do want my yard to be nice and clean and neat just like everybody else's. I definitely don't want my yard to be an eyesore. After I got up the majority of the leaves by hand, I started raking the remainder inside the trash can. That was a little easier for me to do. After I did that, I looked around. It like I had like 10 piles of leaves. At this point, I was focused on how many piles that I had, so I didn't know which way to go. So I started from one end and worked my way to the other. At this point, I'm tired. I'm tired of using a cardboard box. I'm tired of using a rake, so I found me a stick. Only thing I was doing is scooping up into the garbage can and dumping it into the bag. It worked for a while, y'all. It worked pretty good, actually, to me. And these are 55-gallon bags. And I know these bags hold a little bit of air in there when you put the leaves in there, so you have to press it down really, really well. But I don't want it to be too heavy that I can't drag. So here's one bag I'm taking to the curbside. I've got like 9 more to go. Wait a minute now. It feel like I've been wrecking this yard for 10 hours. Every time I pick up a pile, here we go with some more leaves falling off. Now, at this point, I had to recruit baby girl to come help. Now, I looked at her and told her, don't worry about it, because it felt like she just throwing me off. She was really slowing me up. So I went back to my cardboard box, raking up these leaves. The more and more I rake, the more and more these leaves fall. And actually, I wanted to stop at one point, but I realized I had so many piles that I had to get up. Now, these bags from when I first started raking the yard, and I'm trying to figure out what them 13-gallon bags was going to do. Just give me about 50 bags of leaves. I finally was able to finish in about 2.5 hours. I got about 7 bags of leaves on the curbside. I hope they pick them up. Some more leaves was falling off my tree, but I was glad I was able to rake up those leaves from 2 seasons ago. It looks pretty good, actually. And on the plus side, I got me a workout. I think I burned about 500 calories today out of the 2,000 that I ate. Now, this is the tree that gave me a hard time. It still has some more leaves on there that have to fall, but I'll take that over what I had to rake. I just might invest in getting me a lawnmower, a weed eater, a blower with a catch bag, because I don't see myself raking every autumn and fall. All right, y'all, bye.